In this video, I am going to show you how to build your own application without coding by using only ChatGPT. So first you have to open your Google and you have to search for ChatGPT. Then you have to open the ChatGPT. After you open the ChatGPT, you have to enter the prompt which I am telling in this video. After entering your prompt, it will generate the code for quiz application. So you can able to see on the screen the ChatGPT is generating the code. After generating the code, you have to copy that code. So I copied that code and I opened in a text editor. You can use any text editor, but you have to create a file which you can give any name. I am giving q.html. So then I will open it in quick edit because it is the best software to view the application easily. So you have to paste that code, and after running you can able to see this. We have generated the quiz app. Our quiz app is looking very boring, so the user want more realistic and more luxurious and more user friendly, right? So then we will create it. You can able to see this, our app is getting that quiz questions, and then we will come to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. After entering the prompt, you can able to see on the screen it is generating the more user friendly quiz application code. So now you have to copy that code and you have to replace that on the existing one. So I will select all and then I will paste that code. Then I will save it and then I will run it. So now you can able to see this has created only website. Here we have to convert it into application. So our website is working perfectly. So for converting into web application, first we will test this and then we will move on to converting to application. So you can able to see here we can able to get the quiz questions. So then we have to copy that code and we have to open an app that is called as Winter. Winter is a software where you can able to convert any HTML page into a web application. So we will name our application and then we'll open that app. So then you can able to see this index.html. Then you have to paste that code which we have already copied in that text editor. So first I will copy this entire code and then I will replace on this. So then I click on preview. Now you can see this, our application is ready. So it is working perfectly. So to converting this into a APK file. First, before we test this application, our application is running perfectly. So now we will convert this into an application form. So first you have to click on upload section, then you have to convert for Android application. Then you have to name that app. So then you have to enter the package name. So then you have to select your color gradient which the app should be there, and then you have to enable this PHP to get the quiz questions correctly. Then we will click on the right and OK. So it will start generating our application and will give a link. You have to send to your WhatsApp and then you have to download it using the link. So I'm cutting this because it is personal. So then we can able to open our app. So here you can able to see my app and I will open it. So you can able to see this, it's working perfectly. Our quiz app is working perfectly. In this way you can able to create any applications by using this ChatGPT without any coding. If you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
Yeah.